Hey everybody, my name is Hector and today I'm gonna show you how to use the free online grammar checker named the Virtual Writing Tutor. First of all, I am a student of the College Montmorency and it is my second session on this college where I study social science. I study on this field to go then in criminology at the university because I would like to work at the Parole Board of Canada, being a criminologist. My main task will be to interrogate, analyze, and report to know if someone has the quality required to return to live in society without it being a danger for others. For this work, you have to be very professional, show that you know how to write and make a good diagnosis. We are all human, and sometimes we do not necessarily know how to write a word or how it should be pronounced. On this case, we have only to open your browser. Then you go up on this section and you write virtual writingtutor.com. Then you open it, yeah, .com. On this, you have only to go for the first one, virtual writing tutor grammar check online spell checker. Perfect. So when it's your first time, the page gonna ask you if you need some help, but because you are listening to me, you don't need that they explain for you. One important fact is that you can correct 3,000 words instead of 500. For the 3,000 you have only to become a member and it's totally free. On this part is the up part. You have the login, the help, and the share menu. It's all this section. On the middle part, this little part, you have the text area. Is there you're gonna write your text. On the down part, on this little section right there, you have all the options about your text. You have the count word, check spelling, check grammar, check vocabulary, paraphrase, all is there. One of the most important part is the dictionary. The dictionary tells you all about the signification of a word and this specific one is very good. There you have the check grammar. For the check grammar, you have to write a text right there. I do it one before, just to show you. This person has several personality disorders that make him unstable and a real danger for those around him. I make a simulation of a diagnosis. So, I go to the check grammar and there they appear the word count. They tell you exactly how many words that you have. They tell you the error count, how many errors you have, and the error density. It's not all. On the down part, you have why you what you write on that section, what you write, and the feedback. They explain you why there's a mistake. For example, on that part, I do it that make, but it should be that makes because it's on plural. And he told you all that make a suggestion, and he do the same for unstable. After that, you have you have the text speech on that section, text to speech, who show you what is the right pronunciation to don't do it a mistake when you talk with your supervisor or one colleague. For that section, I think that's gonna be almost all. You have the login, you have the text area, and all that you need right there. The dictionary really important, and the most part of this page is that with the check grammar. Then you have only to correct your mistake, and that's it. So, thank you very much, and I wish that you have a really nice day.